I love when developers start to sell their personal home because it's nothing short of extraordinary. And behind me, that's a $12 million home located in Henderson, Nevada, in an area called McDonald Highlands, one of the most primary markets in all of Henderson. And I can't wait to show it to you. So sit back, relax. You're on a snow tour. This is such an extraordinary home. Wait till we get inside. But take a look at your exterior. We have a large format tile wrapped around your courtyard space, a beautiful water feature, and you can hear it right now if you listen closely. But you have the 2 chairs in your lounging area, palm trees, tons of windows for that natural light. But this is imported tile, is porcelain wrapped around the entire home from front to back, and I mean from front to back. But let's take a look inside because this is a 5-bed, 9-bath with just over 9,000 square feet. And Brian Edwards, I appreciate you for letting us tour this beautiful listing. Now, having a pivot door is always a must. This is nice and stunning. You have no neighbors across from you. You just have the beautiful rock mountain, so you can keep this clear if you so choose. But stepping into your foyer entry, you have this 25 to 30-foot ceilings. You have the office to my right that has a hidden bathroom, which is a beautiful finish. And you look throughout that bath, you have marble finishes and the floating vanity. To my left, you have the dining space with the marble finish in the back, vanity as well, and then the wine display. And that is packed with an onyx backlit, beautiful cabinetry. But the most stunning part of the foyer entry is looking at this city views and pool view from your foyer. The kitchen is my favorite part of this entire home. Look what the developer did. This navy blue really stands out. That's wrapped around this cabinetry. It's two-tone as well because you have a nude color right on this countertop space on this side, and a stonework waterfall. You have the gold accent handles, Wolf appliances, double ovens, and you see the conventionals right there as well. And then you have a prep kitchen that's wrapped with that nude cabinetry. So it's very nice. This was actually a beautiful touch. It's actually stunning. You have the pocket doors with the automatic. And then let me take you over to the living space. Now, I've seen many homes that did not have a living space. This home has a theater, it has a workroom, and it has a gym all on the first level with a bedroom. So you have Richard Luke Bar. That's his signature that has the windows, the pocket windows that slide open, and you have that onyx look to it. So that's one of his signature marks. And then you come over here to my living space or your fireplace, and you see once again the porcelain tile wrapped around the fireplace. Now this area right here is your money shot. You have city views, you have the pocket doors behind the bar and in your living space, a beautiful kitchen, dining space, your wine. You can see the all glass office, and behind me leads you into a secondary primary suite. And then I'm gonna take you over to the craft space, gym, and the theater. Walking down this hallway, we're gonna pass the stairs. So this is the stairs that lead us to the second floor, but this home also has an elevator which is located here. This takes us to the second floor because this home does have a rooftop deck for you to capitalize those Las Vegas views. But to my right, this is the craft room space. You have city views once again. The developer wife was an artist, and that's what she used to craft at. And from the craft room, we have the gym packed with its own bath, half bath, and then you have a theater and golf simulator all in one. But there's so much more to see in this home. Let's go to the second level. So stepping outside, once again, we have the porcelain tile that was imported, wrapped around the back and the front. You have the speakers that goes throughout the entire home and outside, along with the nice vinyl plank finishes on the top of the ceiling, so you can walk out here when it's raining just around the ceiling parts. And then you have the outdoor grill, some lounge space area. Here's where you're gonna enjoy those gorgeous city views of McDonald Highlands too. You can overlook the golf course and some beautiful homes. It's always nice to take a look at this area. This area has some extraordinary homes in it. Pool, hot tub, sunken lounge, bar that can serve your entire guest. But the favorite part, the ultimate favorite part, is the putting green, is the direction of the strip. So as you're using it, you'll be able to see the entire strip, which is extremely gorgeous. And then you have the bedroom that have access outside as well. And that is your secondary primary bedroom. Now let's take you to the second floor and the third. Now you have a spacious primary bedroom. You have the pocket doors that lead you right out so you can see some more extremely gorgeous city views. But you have balcony access that stretches all the way from the primary to the end of the entire home, letting all the secondary rooms have access to it as well. All right, ladies, so the best part, you have the standalone tub, shower place right behind it, his and her sink on opposite sides with tons of mirrors, LED lights with the floating vanity, and you have some beautiful backsplashes and marble finishes. And then that primary closet is decorated just like a storefront. And it's on both sides, tons of space. You can use it, and you have your own washroom inside it as well. Now, if you're interested in this home, make sure you give me a call. It's located in Henderson, Nevada, listed for $12.9 million. And I'm about to enjoy some beautiful views. So remember, there is no tour like a snow tour. And I'll see you next time.